Hi, I'm Twinnie the Tinker and welcome to Van Bights, the mini episodes about the mini caravan. Now, since the last time you saw the caravan, I've got it back to my house. It's no longer at the museum, and I've discovered something really cool. Under the bed, there were 2 shock absorbers, which is exciting. So they do exist. Now, the other reason the other thing I discovered was, now this is the mounting plate that sits underneath the spring and holds the axle onto the spring, but it was mounted 90 degrees the wrong way. So it was actually facing, instead of the pin facing out here, it was facing forwards. In fact, they were swapped side to side as well. So I've got that facing the right direction. I've got another shock mount up here, and I'll finish clamping this one on, try and get the shock on, and see if we can get back on its wheels, and see if those shock absorbers work. So let's have a look. The shock absorbers kind of sort of on. They're not actually held on properly. They're only held on with like 10mm bolts poking out, but they should give us some effect. But watch this. It's like nothing's happened. Vaguely hear something going on in the shock absorbers, but I don't know. Maybe I need to try mounting them properly, which means getting new bushes and getting all that sorted. Do I do it? Do I spend the extra money on bushes? Do I just buy the right shocks? We'll have to see. That's it for this Van Bights. I'll catch you next time.